Hey beautiful, you know me, always up for trying new things, especially when it comes to skincare. Lately, I've been obsessed with going back to basics, embracing the goodness of natural ingredients. Today, we're diving into the world of herbal bath powders. You might know them as Ubtans. These DIY wonders are about to become your skin's new best friend. They're packed with natural ingredients that cleanse, exfoliate, and nourish your skin like no other. And the best part? You can whip them up right at home with just a few simple ingredients. Speaking of natural and amazing, let me introduce you to my friends at Hayagreeva Naturals Skincare. Alright, let's jump into our first recipe. This turmeric and gram flour Ubtan is like a magic potion for glowing skin. Grab a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of gram flour. You know, that besan we use for pakoras? Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric helps with brightening and those pesky little marks. Next, add in a tablespoon of milk, or even yogurt if you have some handy. Mix it all up until you get a nice smooth paste. Slather this golden paste all over your face and body. Gently massage it in circular motions for a couple of minutes, and then let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water, pat your skin dry, and say hello to that natural glow. Ready for some serious pampering? This sandalwood and rose petal Ubtan is like a spa day in a bowl. For this luxurious treat, you'll need some sandalwood powder and dried rose petals. Take about 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder and a tablespoon of dried rose petals. Mix everything together and add a little bit of rose water or plain water to form a paste. Apply this fragrant paste all over your face and body, just like we did with the turmeric Ubtan. Gently massage it in and then relax. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes so that your skin can soak up all the goodness. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and feel that stress melt away. Your skin will feel so soft, smooth, and smell amazing. Now let's tackle those pesky skin concerns with the power of neem and tulsi. Neem is the ultimate skin savior, and tulsi is considered holy for a reason. Together, they create a super powerful Ubtan perfect for acne-prone or irritated skin. To make this, you'll need some dried neem leaves and dried tulsi leaves. Take about 2 tablespoons of each and grind them into a fine powder. Once you have your powder ready, add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt to it. Mix it all up into a smooth paste and apply it all over your face and body. Gently massage it in, focusing on any areas that are feeling a bit irritated or breaking out. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water. Your skin will feel so refreshed, clean, and calm. So there you have it. 3 super easy and effective herbal bath powder recipes that you can try at home. If you're looking for more amazing natural skincare products, check out Hayagreeva Naturals Skincare. They have a whole range of products made with the finest natural ingredients. Give these recipes a try, and let me know which one becomes your favorite. Remember, true beauty comes from within, and taking care of ourselves naturally is the best way to let it shine through. Stay beautiful and natural.